Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wealthfront for automated investing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up Wealthfront for automated investing, visit the Wealthfront website or download the app from your device's app store. Once on the homepage, click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will need to create an account by entering your email address and creating a password. After your account is created, verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email from Wealthfront. Click the link in the email to activate your account. Log into your new Wealthfront account using your email and password. Next, you will be prompted to complete your financial profile. This involves answering questions about your financial goals, investment timeline, and risk tolerance. Provide honest and accurate answers to ensure Wealthfront can create a suitable investment strategy for you. Once your profile is complete, you will move on to linking your bank account. Select your preferred method for linking your bank account, which may include instant verification or manual entry. If using instant verification, follow the prompts to log into your bank account securely. If you choose to enter your bank information manually, make sure to input your account number and routing number correctly. After linking your bank account, you will need to decide how much you want to invest initially. Wealthfront has a minimum investment requirement, so ensure you meet that threshold. Review the investment strategy Wealthfront suggests based on your profile and make any adjustments if necessary. You can choose to customize your investment preferences, such as focusing on specific asset classes or ethical investing options. Once satisfied with your investment strategy, review the fees and terms of service. If everything looks good, confirm your investment plan to proceed. Wealthfront will then guide you through the process of funding your investment account, which may take a few days to process. After your initial investment is processed, Wealthfront will handle the rest. The platform will automatically manage and rebalance your portfolio based on market conditions and your investment goals. You can monitor your investments through the Wealthfront dashboard anytime. Consider setting up automatic deposits to keep growing your portfolio over time. Adjust your financial profile as needed if your goals or circumstances change. Finally, take advantage of Wealthfront's features, such as financial planning tools and tax loss harvesting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.